Do you need a mobile app for your business?
Yes!
Would you like to write millions of lines of code?
No!
Then you can simply install and use pre-made business apps on your mobile. But before that, I'm Parveen and welcome to App DNA where we talk about all things apps. If you're just stepping into the world of apps, then please subscribe to our channel where we make extensive app building videos. In our channel's videos, you will see how low-code makes app building really easy and saves a lot of development costs and maintenance for your business. In today's video, we will see how to install and use a pre-built library management app for your library. In case you want to learn first how to build this library management app on the web, I have made a video tutorial already. You can check this out over here and I'll also leave the link for you in the description below. Now let's move on to how to install it and use it on the mobile. Let's get started. First, you have to download Zoho Creator from your App Store or Play Store, whichever you have on your mobile. In Zoho Creator, whenever you create a web app, a mobile or tab app is auto-generated for you, so you need not hire developers to create a mobile app separately. For example, the Library App 2018 is the one that I built for the Library App tutorial that I already linked below. Now, you have an extensive array of apps that you can install from the app deck. I'm going to go and install the library app which our developers have painstakingly created, keeping in mind library use cases. What do you see when you enter a library? Books and piles of books. Every library has a catalog where you can go to find the title you're searching for or simply browse through the categories to find something interesting. We will start our app by adding our resources in a simple add resource form. For example, I'm the librarian here and I have the book American Gods by Neil Gaiman. To add this book to my book catalog, I'll go to the add resource form. I'll tap on the barcode. I'll scan the barcode. And the ISBN is auto-populated for me. Now I have to simply add the rest of the details in the form and hit submit. Now I'll go and add a few more books to this. Your library app needs readers, so we are going to add these users using the add member form in this app. This app also has the feature of checking in users through the check-in form. Imagine coming into the library, checking in, not having to talk to anyone, taking your favorite book and just diving in for a long time. We have the users, but the users do not have the app. We need to share the app with them. But users don't need access to all the permissions, right? They need to come to the app, browse through the selection, borrow a book, and that's it. Tricky situation? Not really. With Zoho Creator, we can share our app with the specific permissions and access levels with our users. Now we will create a user profile for our member. In the Edit Application mode of our Library Management app, we are going to go to the Share button on the top right and then add a new permission set for our member. In our member profile, we are going to give them permission to check-in form, search book form, place an order form, and renewal form. We have the books and the readers. Now readers want to borrow books. How do they do that? For this, our members can search through the book database, find the book that they want to borrow, and click on the borrow request form. When the admin receives a book request, he can either choose to approve the request or reject it. What else does this app offer? When your members love a book, they tend to keep reading it on and on without ever remembering to return it. But this app snaps them out of their stupor with a reminder notification. Your members are reminded to return the book before the due date. What else do you need an app for? The admin can create customized reports and dashboards to look at the metrics that he wants the most. The busiest time in the library, the defaulters, the books that are most requested, and the titles that need to be bought for the library. You can also customize all the reports to find other metrics that you need from your app. What are you still waiting for? Go download Zoho Creator and install this library management app. Also, you can browse through the other apps over various industries and see how you can use them. You're still there. For more such mobile app videos, please subscribe to App DNA where we will be continuing with our mobile app series. Also, comment below with any use cases or doubts that you have on this mobile app. Till then, keep making apps and keep reading.